Hey, what's going on, y'all? Today I'm going to be installing a Amazon special engine guards. So super quick, super easy. All you're going to need is a 17mm socket to remove the bolts in here, and then you're going to need a T55 Allen key to install these onto your bike. I've already loosened these bolts because they are pretty tight, so just keep that in mind. They are very, very tight. So you just want to unscrew them. Bolt. And then the engine guards. Now, I don't know what the torque specs are on those, but just make it nice and tight. Then you just install the cap here. You got the little MT07 logo on top. These just screwed together. Make sure that's nice and tight. I think that's good. Now we'll do the other side. And like I said, I already loosened these bolts. Make it nice and snug. And then just screw the cap on. I like how these are removable. So I guess maybe in the event that you do go down, maybe you can just buy these separately. I do think they sell them in a bunch of different colors. I just went with the black because, you know, you don't need nothing fancier than that. Boom, and that's it. Putting a set of engine guards on your bike is definitely a must-do. It's super cheap, super quick, and you don't have to go out and spend all this money on these fancier ones. I'll link this product down below. So if you got something useful out of this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Ride safe.